Bro, look at that Sportster, dog. Hopefully you can pull it up. Oh, he did it! You got some boiled peanuts? Let's go. What'd you bring out today? Okay. I thought you sold that.
I sold it and then I got another one for cheaper.
You be just going through bikes like crazy.
I swear I'm gonna keep this one for a little bit.
Let's go. We got homie on the classic DRZ in the yellow, bro. You don't really see that many yellow DRZs anymore. Hey, yo, you got the you got the classic DRZ color, bro. You said what?
I didn't wash it.
Nah, I'm just saying the yellow. Yeah, keep that bit yellow. That's dope. Oh, not the, bro, we were just talking. Not the pretty DRZ. You good? Bro, I was just talking about the freaking pretty yellow on this thing, dude. Okay, putting out work on the Banshee. Let's go. You just, or?
I'm still learning.
No, yeah, it's part of it, bro. I'm just glad you're good. That's what I want to see, that Banshee, dog. And he's in the flops. In the flops. Killing on the... Oh, my! He had no brake right there, and then as you see a second later, he kicked it, and luckily he was on the brake. Let's go! Sport bike taking off. Another sport bike just coming in. Yes, sir! Me and the boy shredding, dog. Oh, there he goes. He pulled her up. Let's get it, dog. Bruh. I know I always say it, but one day we might get a sport bike. Bro, look at that Sportster, dog. Hopefully you can pull it up. Oh, he did it! Yeah! Look at him, bro. That's a big ass bike. And he out here just flossing that thing up. Good old DRZ. I got some sick graphics on there. As y'all know, I like stock graphics, but every once in a while, if it's a sick graphic, ooh, you're getting swervy though. Swerve in the Supermoto. Let's go. Hey, you killing this DRZ, bro.
Hey, you need to bring this back out, bro.
That's tired forever. It's so, like, my DRZ I got home, it's so rough right now, and like, that bitch just retired, and
hey, that shit's a trooper, it got hella miles.
A lot of miles. I just have so many memories with it, I was like, I just want to leave it to its side.
Trophy now.
Yeah, it's like a trophy.
You started and now you rocking and rolling.
Yeah, you know how it is.
I understand.
You need any zip ties or anything?
Dude, I want to bend this shit back or cut it off, like right here, because I can't.
If anything, just bend it down.
Yeah, but...
No, like, put this whole thing down so a little bit straighter. That could help. Just for today, maybe. What year is this thing? 06? Damn. No, yeah, I have an 09, so mine's old too. Alright, we're on a flippin' big SR7 right now. We got homies over here in some circles. Woo! This thing got power, dude. We got Snazzy on my 150. It looks so small, man. Okay, Snazzy. Okay. That was a little scary, dude. I was doing that tune right behind the bench. Oh! Ah! You getting... Homie scared me, bro. I got no control. Oh my god, bro. We on a freaking Harley. This thing had no power, bro. If it slams down, it has like no. Am I coming down too hard, or is it fine for this?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh.
I would not come down hard.
It's hard because like it runs out of like
Power.
a little, like it doesn't really have that much top end like torque, you know?
Yeah, I would be careful, just don't drop, don't come down so hard on it.
No, yeah, I'm like gassing it out, but
You do this, it's stuck.
holy crap, we just freaking shredded a Harley Sportster. I'm pretty sure it's all stock except for like the clutch lever. But bro, it was hard to like, oh, the light's still on. I got it. Damn. Alright gang, we're currently on a RMZ 400. Oh, we got some traffic up ahead. This thing feels pretty damn good, dude. Like, as you guys know, I don't really like Suzuki dirt bikes too much. I'm more into the Yamaha YZ. Boy in the sandal's still getting it though. Woo! Oh god. Let's go. Boy, got Groot on the handlebars, chilling. Let's go. Homie ready to go to military. Hey, you got Groot. Groot. No. Groot. I'm about to stall my shit. I'm outie. Good seeing you, though, bro. Yeah, I'm out later, guys. Hey, be easy. Huh? No.